Okay, here we have the Bandit SG40 stump grinder here. Gonna do an overview / review on this. This one has the revolution wheel, so these teeth are much more industrial than your typical stump grinder. It is powered by a 38 horsepower Kohler motor. And from the back here, you got very easy to use controls, your drive controls, and then also to control the head down front. Got your hour meter, fuel here on the left, and then your hydraulic oil here on the right. And with this one, you can actually pull this lever, swivel this over to the side or to this side. That way you can operate from over here and also see the stump that you're grinding. With this model, you have the ability to grind a stump up to 22 inches high, all the way down to 12 inches below the surface. So let's get some clips of it running. There we have it. With the capability to swing 47 inches from side to side, you can cover the whole mass of the stump. And if you look here, I can do this one-handed, just all down to nothing. So with a little work from the shovel, we'll have this leveled over, ready to plant some seed in there so I can grow some grass. Guys, I kid you not even 5 minutes of work, and this thing is completely gone. Ground to pieces. Once again, just gotta smooth out this dirt. I'll be able to plant some grass here for the spring. Well guys, thanks again for watching another one of our videos as we overviewed the Bandit SG40 stump grinder. If you all would like to rent this beast, you can come visit us here at the shop or visit us online to set up your rental for that. Also be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, link down below. And if you would, drop a comment down below and let me know what type of stump grinder you guys have used in the past. And I hope we'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.